Hi guys, how to get normal Roblox. Back after Roblox Kids and Select. Now open the Roblox app, go to the More page, and then select the Settings option. This is where all your account preferences live, so don't skip past it. Select account info from the Settings menu, scroll down to the Personal section, and find the Check Your Age option. Here's a quick heads up. If you don't see this option, your account may already be age verified, or the feature isn't available in your region yet. Tap the Continue button to begin the age verification process. Make sure you're in a well-lit area and your camera lens is clean before proceeding. Allow camera access when prompted, then center your face inside the circle and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the age check. Here's a pro tip. Hold your phone at eye level and avoid tilting your heads for the fastest scan. Once the verification is complete, Roblox will update your age group. If your account becomes eligible, you may regain access to additional Roblox features that are restricted on Roblox Kids accounts.